Everyone, welcome back to this series of digital electronics. So today in this video we are going to discuss about difference between combinational and sequential circuits. So let us see what is a combinational circuit. Suppose we have this box and it contains of some gates, some circuitry, and we say it as a combinational circuit. This combination of gate and circuits, this circuitry is known as combinational circuit. So what this combinational circuit will do, suppose I have an input x of t, and for this input x of t I am having a output y of t. Okay, we are dealing in digital electronics, so the input would be in digital form, so forget about this t. Suppose for input x we are having output y, and this input x is applied at a time interval delta t, and this delta t is a very small time interval, which means कि हमने सिर्फ इनपुट लगाया है और लगाते ही छोड़ दिया. तो जैसे ही हमने इनपुट जितने डेल्टा टी बहुत कम समय के लिए जब हमने जो इनपुट लगाया, वी आर हैविंग आउटपुट वाई फॉर दिस इनपुट एक्स. अब जब डेल्टा टी के बाद ही हमने इनपुट एक्स हटा दिया, व्हेन वी हैव रिमूव्ड दिस इनपुट एक्स आफ्टर डेल्टा टी टाइम इंटरवल, देन दिस आउटपुट वुड ऑल्सो डिमिनिश. ये आउटपुट भी चला जाएगा. ये आउटपुट तब तक के लिए है जब तक ये इनपुट अप्लाइड है. सो ये इस आउटपुट की ड्यूरेशन कितनी होगी? व्हाट विल बी द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ दिस आउटपुट? डेल्टा टी वाई डेल्टा टी. तो जब तक इनपुट रहेगा तब तक आउटपुट रहेगा. ओके, सो इसके लिए मैं स्टेटमेंट क्या कर सकता हूँ? फॉर कॉम्बिनेशनल सर्किट्स output is only when input is applied. No input, no output for combinational circuits. ओके, अब हमारा कॉम्बिनेशनल सर्किट का एग्जांपल क्या होगा? एक एग्जांपल हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? दिस इज आवर सिंपल नॉट गेट. जब हम इनपुट लगाएंगे तब इसका कुछ आउटपुट आएगा. ओके, अदर एग्जांपल वुड बी मल्टीप्लेक्सर्स, that is mux. Multiplexers we will discuss in upcoming videos, so don't worry about multiplexers. Okay, encoders, decoders, these all are what? Combinational circuits. Okay, now we will talk about sequential circuits. So now let us see what sequential circuits are. Suppose I am having this box and this box represents a sequential circuit. It is containing some circuitry and we are saying it as sequential circuit. Or what we will do, suppose this is a combinational circuit. Okay, we are applying some external input x, getting some external output y. Okay, and then what we are having this feedback from the output of this circuit. Okay, there would be a feedback, and this feedback from this output of the circuit, and it would be our feedback, and it will come into this input side. There would be some actuators, or adders, comparators which will compare this input and this input, and from this we are having a feedback. From this output we are taking a feedback. So in this case, suppose for delta t interval this input is applied and we are getting this output for delta t. Okay, if we remove this input, then what will happen? This feedback, actually this output is a combination of input x and feedback. ये फीडबैक इनपुट से q. सो ये q हमारा फीडबैक इनपुट है, और ये हमारा फीडबैक से में जो फीडबैक आउटपुट कह लो इसको, क्योंकि ये इनपुट हमें मिल रहा है पर आउटपुट तो फीडबैक का है. फीडबैक इनपुट तो ये रहा. ठीक है, तो what will happen now when after delta t this input x is removed, then ये इनपुट तो आ रहा है ना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कुछ आउटपुट था, उसके लिए कुछ फीडबैक आया, तो ये वी विल बी हैविंग सम इनपुट फ्रॉम दिस फीडबैक. So what will happen when the input is not implied, then also there will be some output. Why? Because of this feedback. When input is not applied, then also there will be some output because of feedback circuit. Okay, examples क्या होंगे? Latches, flip flops, then bistable multivibrator, counters, etc. So these are the examples of sequential circuits. Suppose I am having this circuit of two NOT gates connected in series, and there is some feedback from this NOT gate output to the input of this NOT gate. Okay, see, the direction of feedback would always from this output to the input of the circuit. Okay, direction is always from this output to the input. Suppose initially it is cleared, the circuit is cleared, there is no input, no output, sub 0 0 right here. Suppose I apply at t1, I apply input is equals to 0, तो ये इसका आउटपुट क्या होगा 1, इसका आउटपुट क्या होगा 0. ओके, अब क्या है कि t1 डेल्टा टी, इसकी ड्यूरेशन डेल्टा टी के लिए हमने इनपुट ये अप्लाई किया, तो वी हैव अप्लाइड दिस इनपुट फॉर ड्यूरेशन डेल्टा टी. आफ्टर डेल्टा टी द इनपुट इज रिमूव्ड. इफ input is removed after delta t, so what will happen? See, I am again drawing the circuit. तो अब क्या होगा, यहाँ पे कोई इनपुट नहीं है, इनपुट ना जीरो है ना वन है, कुछ भी नहीं है, इनपुट नहीं है, इनपुट हमने कनेक्शन दिया ही नहीं, ठीक है. तो व्हाट विल हैपन, बट द आउटपुट वो जीरो, सो इस फीडबैक से आएगा यहाँ पे जीरो, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा फिर से जीरो, ये फिर से वन, ये फिर से जीरो, तो ये चलता रहेगा. इट विल हैपन अगेन एंड अगेन, 0 1 0 0 1 0. इफ नो इनपुट इज अप्लाइड, देन ऑल्सो द आउटपुट वुड बी 0 एंड दिस circuit will run in this same way. It will run in this way forever, जब तक इसको सप्लाई मिल रही है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की, पर इनपुट्स नहीं, देयर वी आर नॉट गिविंग इनपुट्स ए से ए, we are not giving the input, so then also there is some output and the circuit is running in the same way. So what we can see, we can see that while we gave the input as a, the output was 0. Okay, if we remove the input, then also output is 0. So we can say that it is storing the output, it is storing the output, so it is acting as a memory element. We can also draw the circuit as like this. Right, this is the same connection. Okay, we have just, what we have done, we have, see, output of this NOT gate is the input of this NOT gate, output of this is the input of this, output of this is the input of this. Okay, so now what's happening, so now what happening is, suppose the input is q, this would be q bar, right? No, this would be q bar, this would be again q, so it is q bar. So it is acting as a memory element. Q is given here, and then this will become q bar, output is q bar, then its output would be, as input is q bar, so its output would be q, and this q would again come here. So this circuit is called as bistable multivibrator. It is acting as a memory element, it is storing that value. If the input that we have given, for that this output is 0, and when the input is not applied, input को हमने हटा दिया, उसके बाद भी हमें आउटपुट 0 मिल रहा है, तो इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है कि हम कोई कनेक्शन नहीं दे रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं दे रहे, वी आर नॉट गिविंग एनी काइंड ऑफ इनपुट, बट द वैल्यू डेट वाज at that time when the input was applied, the same values after when the input was disconnected, the same values retaining here. It has been retaining the same value that was when the input was applied. So it is acting as a memory element. So this was all about the difference between combinational and sequential circuits. And we can see the main difference is that in combinational circuits there is no memory element, and in sequential circuits there is a memory element. So we have also seen bistable multivibrator. In next videos we will discuss about latches, flip-flops, and so more about sequential circuits. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.